What's up guys, I'm going to show you today how to make rice 4 different ways that is super delicious, easy. A couple fresh herbs in there, some garlic, some rosemary, some mint, some lime, some anise stars, some cinnamon, some cloves, turmeric and cardamom. Are you serious, Clark? Did I mention mint? I'm going to show you a couple different ways on how to spice up your rice and spice up your life. That was corny, but I think I like it. So for this rice, we're going to make a fresh rosemary, garlic, pepper, coconut oil, and Bragg's rice. And Bragg's is like a soy sauce substitute. Saute that in a pan with the coconut oil and the freshly cracked pepper, and then we're gonna put that directly into the rice. So now that the rice is done, let's go ahead and throw it in a bowl. Get the garlic, rosemary, pepper, and coconut oil in the bowl. Go ahead and throw it right on top. Put a little bit in there, mix it around, get the rest of that good flavor. And then throw the Bragg's right on top of that. And give it a good mix. That rice right there is so savory and so delicious. It has lots of raw garlic, the fresh rosemary, and the Bragg's, and along with the coconut is just really, really nice. I think if you try this one, you're going to thoroughly be impressed of how much flavor it packs in each bite. So the next kind of rice I'm gonna work with is the mint, butter, pepper, and lime. Let's just go ahead and throw it all directly in there. Let's go ahead and throw the mint in there, right on top. Go ahead and put the butter, sink that right down inside. Let that melt real nice. And we're gonna take the pepper, put the pepper right on top. And then add the lime. Go ahead and stir that up real nice till everything is well incorporated. Once they get nice and brown, put the butter in there. Alright, so this is that fermented chili one with some Miyoko's delicious cheese in there. With those awesome caramelized onions. We're going to put the rice right in the bowl. Take those onions, put them right in there. Not much better than butter and onions. We're going to dice up that Miyoko cheese. Put that right in. And here's that chili paste we're going to add last. Just give it a good stir. And last but not least is that delicious Indian flavor rice. We have star anise, we have turmeric, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon. Throw that all directly in the pot with the pre-soaked jasmine rice. Just like that. Go ahead and stir that around a little bit. A little bit of salt, a couple pinches, and here's what we look like. And the last rice is finally done. And make sure with this one that you pick out all the cinnamon and cardamom. That would be a real sham to have it in there. Look at that. Gorge. Absolutely gorge.